Social Media Hacks, the ultimate guide to growing email subscribers. Welcome to our ultimate guide to growing email subscribers through social media. In today's digital age, building a strong email list is crucial for any business or brand. So, how can you effectively use social media to grow your subscribers? Let's dive in. First, make sure your social media profiles are optimized. Include links to your email sign-up page in your bio and posts. Engage with your audience and encourage them to subscribe. Next, leverage social media ads. Utilizing platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter allows you to target specific demographics, expanding your reach and attracting potential subscribers. Another useful hack is offering exclusive content. Provide value to your audience by creating an irresistible lead magnet, such as a free ebook or a discount code, incentivizing them to join your email list. Don't forget about cross-promotion. Collaborate with other influencers or businesses in your niche to promote each other's email lists. This mutually beneficial strategy can significantly boost your subscriber count. Additionally, use contests and giveaways to grab attention. Run social media contests that require participants to subscribe to your email list for a chance to win exciting prizes. Lastly, engage with your audience. Respond to their comments, ask for their opinions, and encourage them to share your content. This interaction builds trust and increases the likelihood of them subscribing to your emails. Remember, growing your email subscribers from social media requires persistence and experimentation. Keep analyzing your strategies, adapting to your audience's preferences, and always provide valuable content. Thanks for watching our ultimate guide to growing email subscribers through social media. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on digital marketing. See you next time. If you want hands-on help with your social media content and strategy, reach out to our team at Amplify Social Media and schedule a call. We would love to help.